It's time for the crumb grabber. The crumb grabber. The crumb grabber says, pay attention to this disclaimer because you're probably going to lose all your goddamn money. And don't blame me, especially if you fucking follow my trades. What the fuck is wrong with you? Jesus Christ. All right. So, here we go. We're trying something new today. And first off, we've got our economic calendar here. And so we've got the big thing is, of course, uh, oops, where is it here? Yeah, so we're at Wednesday. You know, I should have just gone for today. Let's see if we can actually just, here we go. Just look at today. All right, here we go. This is easier. Yeah. So big day is the Fed. Where's the federal funds rate? So 2 p.m. Federal funds rate, FOMC statement, and then Trump is going to speak whether he's going to fire Powell. This is going to be funny. But look, man, I do not expect the funds rate to change. Inflation is not under control, and we don't know the effect of all the tariffs yet. Um, but hey, you know, I'm just a dude on the internet, man. Anyway, we want to. What else do we have before? Oh man, Canadian Monetary Policy Report, bank statement. Oh yeah, and then Canadian overnight rate. All right. So before we do anything else, gotta make sure that you don't bone it up by putting an alert in your phone or whatever system you have in your trading software or whatever. So I'm putting these alerts in my phone, which I've got kind of pre-configured. So I'm doing that. Yeah, sometimes I don't even, yeah, sometimes I don't even trade on these days. But I don't know what I'm going to do yet. We haven't gotten as far as making the plan. All right. So got the FOMC. Not that worried about what Canada's going to do. Oh, and we're already past the non-farm employment change, which was positive. Advanced GDP is up. So yeah, so all the news is good so far. But yeah, I'm not doing this pre-market. If anything, I'm going to wait till the market. Okay. All right. So hopefully you had a chance to get all of your notes in there. Um, and let's move on. Oh, okay. All right. Are we on monitor one? Yep. Okay. And we've got our daily plan here. And let's just make this full screen, keep it simple. Right. And, oops. This is hard. All right, here we go. All right, so let's, right, so getting all the software up and running. We've looked at the economic calendars, and now we're going to go and review our daily bias, what we've got going on. Oh, and And let's go ahead and do that. And man, it would be nice. Let's try the Zen browser. Zen. Okay. Let's see if that's if I like that. Ah, crap. Okay, no, I don't. Let me look. Oh, look, isn't this awful? Fucking ads everywhere. Okay, let's get back to the let's get back to how it was. All right. First, let's go look at the futures. All right. Now, we'll make these a little bigger. Okay, so just daily. We've pulled back a little bit. I think we're just waiting for the word from Powell. If he lowers rates, we're going to scream up again, I think. But yeah, so everybody's just waiting pretty much. But I don't know, like all the doom and gloomers, man. Uh, I mean, I see a chart that the prices are just continually going up of all the indexes. And whether you think that it's because we're about to borrow another $1 trillion just in the next 90 days, or whether you think that the budget that's massively big, it's all going to it's all going to inflate everything, but that also inflates equities too. It's not that real value is being created, but the number on the chart goes up. So anyway, let me see. So, oops, clear. All right. Well, you know what? I'm going to just start a new. I always forget that. I'm trying this, doing stuff with just my voice, which seems to be pretty cool. So let's get back to this. All right, yeah, this nice bigger charts. Okay, so we've got yeah, yeah. So the S&P and the Nasdaq. I'm looking especially at the difference between the S&P and the Nasdaq. Not too much. Nasdaq is a little weaker than the S&P in the last couple days. They're so highly correlated. And man, Dow Jones and the Russell might as well be the same chart on the daily. We're going to look at the hourly in a second, but let's just have a gander at the rest. VIX is not, it's not like the VIX is at 14. You know what I mean? Like, um, we've got a little bit of elevation there. Ah, okay. So my daily bias right now, we're going to look at the hour chart in a minute, but overall, that's interesting. Gasoline is a little weaker than crude right now, but oil, at least for right now, we're bullish on oil, and then missed. Okay. Gold gapped up. I missed that. Oh, man. Okay, well, now I'm doing some of my real trading of other equities just on my phone from Interactive Brokers, and that makes me have to go in and look at a position that I've got. Oops, so let's see. Well, I'm down $10. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, okay. All right. Well, okay. Not too bad. Nice. Okay. So, all right. Sorry about that. Yeah, basically everything is the same or kind of what I expected. So, fine. That's interesting. The gap up in gold. Silver still has its downtrend. So for me, I'm hoping gold comes down so I can buy more. And if not, for sure, we're going to sit and we're going to wait. Yeah, all these other ones have pulled back. All right, now, real quick. US dollar has gained, but it's lost a lot. And that usually, okay, that's something we'd expect to see. If the US gains, the euro loses, and vice versa. Okay, my basic bias between the euro and the pound is still the same. The euro is a little, we're going to have to look at the hourly charts to get a little better idea. And I'm going to build another comparison thing.